To update software on your computer or a laptop, you can wither open each and check for update or just check it once. You can quickly update all software whenever new versions are available. And when any update available, you can make each updated one by one, or just single command will make all done. Open command prompt and type Winget upgrade to see which installed programs have updates available. Here you'll see the name, ID, current version, and the available update version. You can update apps individually or update all available software at once. To update one software, you can use the name or the ID. So the command will be Winget upgrade, name and the name of the app. If it is Blender, then enter Blender, as you see in the list. You go with the ID to use the command like this. Winget upgrade, ID app ID. If it is Blender, so command becomes Winget upgrade, ID Blender Foundation Blender.